Hey, Glory.
Yeah?
I have something for you.
Is this it?
Yes.
I've been waiting for this all the time.
Okay.
Finally.
Yeah, finally. Ready to open it?
It's here.
Show me what's that.
It's a little pet shop toys that I bought online. And here are some other figures. Like Galaxy Gator TM, Starry Man, and other ones. A lot of other ones.
Can you save it for me?
Yes. Should we open it, guys?
Yes.
Okay. That was easy. Okay, I got them out, and here's how they look like. They're all so pretty. Here's the background. Okay, now let's take these out. I need help, Mom.
Okay.
As you can see that I moved the other toys into the new toys. And here are the dolls, other dolls that we can get, the future colored ones. And here is the golden mouse here that we got with this set. It also comes with this. And so the golden mouse is hiding somewhere. If you can find it in this video, thank you. You will know that you are really proud of yourself and you are a special finder. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, give us a big thumbs up, and see you guys next time. Bye! For more videos of Glory's Adventures, please subscribe to my channel.